Hey everyone, what I have here is the Jubiter Blade. Jupiter with a B, kind of like the Bitcoin symbol. Comes from a company called Feitian. Now, you may remember that I spoke to these guys at World Crypto Con. They showed me this in person and it was very, very impressive. I really did like the wallet. And they were kind enough to send me one of them out to test it out. So this isn't a full review, this is an unboxing. I just want to show you what's in the box and then I can quickly compare it to some other cryptocurrency hardware wallets. So let's get it open. So inside this eco-friendly box, we have the wallet itself, a getting started guide, a recovery card ×2, and you've got the USB cable underneath. And here is the reason why I loved this wallet so much. Look at this. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. So small, so portable, so goddamn sexy. So yeah, looking around, you can see there's a kind of cancel power button there. If there's any charge in it, there is. So there's the display, which, you know, I'm not actually going to use it in this one, but you can see that that's where the display is. There's an up and down button, then there's an OK button. I'm going to switch this off just now. I don't need to create a new wallet. Now they've got the charging port there, micro B charging port there. And yeah, you've got like a little keyring holder space there as well. Doesn't seem to be a keyring included. I can't see any keyring included, but you can put this into your keys. So the USB cable looks quite good. At this point, what I'd like to do is compare this to some other wallets, and this will really give you an idea of how small this is. So we've got the Trezor. Let me see, I'll line these up. So I've got the KeepKey here on the left hand side. Then I've got the Ledger. Then I've got the Trezor, which they now call the Trezor One. And then I've got the Jubiter Blade. Now, size-wise, is probably closest to the Trezor. But the thing about this is, this thing is so small and thin and light. I'm not sure if that's coming through in the camera, but this thing is so small and light. You know, I can compare this to a regular business card, for example, and it's smaller. Certainly smaller than, you know, what you get in a credit card or that. So this is definitely small enough that you can put into your wallet without a doubt. With regards to the cable, standard affair. The KeepKey gave you like a long braided cable. The Trezor went for a kind of long cable like this, just a regular cable like that. The Trezor gave you quite a small one, but this is what they give you here for the Jubiter. So there you have it, guys. This is the Jubiter Blade, or the Jubiter Blade. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Very small, very portable, very sexy. And you may recall that one of the coolest features about this is that you can actually just display your Bitcoin QR code here. So if there's someone there and they wanted to send you some money, you can actually just show your Bitcoin address here. You don't actually have to go into the wallet per se. It's a pretty cool feature and it's not something you'll find on other wallets. Now, I do obviously have to test this. I need to test the app and I need to see how this works in practice. But from a design point of view, I would say that this is pretty impressive. So again, from an unboxing point of view, you get 2 recovery cards, getting started guide, USB cable. But the main thing we're looking at here is the wallet itself. So please do stay tuned. I need to do a full review of the KeepKey and I need to do a full review of the Jubiter. And I'm, you know, the great thing about this is that because I've got a few wallets, I can draw comparisons between them and I can say what I like and what I don't like. So far I would say that the Trezor is my favorite, but I do need to test the KeepKey and I do need to test this. Thanks for watching, guys. Please stay tuned for a further review in the future.